Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, of course, we are going to start out by priming our face. I have already washed and moisturized my skin, and now this is just an oldie but goodie primer that I'm going to be using. It is that Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer, and I'm using a brush to go ahead and smooth this out all over my face. Now y'all, it's time to go ahead and put me on some eyebrows because y'all already know your girl don't have any eyebrows, and if you guys need a more in-depth tutorial behind my eyebrows, I will leave the link to my eyebrow tutorial up in the little iCards, and I do believe that is going to be on the left side or the right side of the screen. Don't quote me on it, but I am going to leave the link up there as well as the link down below in the description box. And you already know, once you put your eyebrows on, just to go ahead and sculpt them out and carve them out to perfection. I am going to be using that JUVIA'S concealer, and this is just going to give me that crisp, fresh, just from the waxer's look. Even though I don't use wax on my eyebrows, I tweeze them, but you already know it's just going to make your eyebrows just look real crisp, real clean, real nice. And you guys, make sure that you blend that concealer out. Do not just leave that harsh line of concealer up there around your eyebrows. That looks tacky and it's not cute. Take a nice blending brush and just blend that baby on out. And when you want to do something simple but jazzy, a cat eye is always the best, and I'm using this liquid eyeliner to go ahead and give myself that nice little wing. And keeping with the theme of the video of only using minimal products, you guys, I am not putting on any lashes. I am just doing a simple coat of mascara. And just to further blend that concealer in that we use to sculpt our eyebrows, I am taking my MAC Studio Fix powder and I am just dusting that along the edges of that concealer. Now I am taking my JUVIA'S concealer and I am placing little dots under my eye where I will be highlighting as well as down the bridge of my nose. And you guys, I am going to be doing an in-depth tutorial on how I highlight and contour, which I feel like is beginner friendly, so I'm not going to go too much into detail when it comes down to the highlighting and contouring portion of my face in this video. So I'm going to shut up and let you guys watch. Okay. Now, to make sure that the concealer stays in place all day and does not crease up on me, I am going to go ahead and set that concealer under my eyes as well as down the bridge of my nose. And then after I do that, I go directly in with my all over face powder, and I'm just going to go in and set the rest of my face. Now, even though I didn't use any foundation on my face, I still like to put on powder just to bring everything together. And now I am using my new favorite trick, and this is the way that I contour my nose. Again, this will be featured in my highlighting and contouring videos, so the next couple of pieces are going to be highlighting and contouring, so let me shut up. And just to give myself a little bit of a subtle nice glow, I am going back into that black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using the highlighter shade that comes in that kit to go ahead and give myself a little glow. Oh, this is my favorite lip gloss of all time. It is the perfect nude for us chocolate sisters. And you guys, this is the completed look of my minimal makeup products. I truly appreciate you guys for coming through and checking out my video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright y'all, bye!